Hello everyone, myself Yash Uttarkar from MSc1. Welcome to this inorganic chemistry seminar where we are going to learn about structure, properties and uses of organometallic compound, that is organolithium. We are here going to study about mainly organolithium. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what are organometallic compounds? Okay, answer is organic compounds that contain carbon metal bonds are called as organometallic compounds. The compounds in which there is bonding between carbon and metal, those compounds are known as organometallic compounds. For example, organolithium, which is RLi, organomagnesium, RMG, Grignard reagent, organozinc, organocadmium, and so on. Here we can see that the bonding between R and Li is of organometallic relation. That is why these are called as organometallic compounds. Organolithium compound, which is represented by RLi. It is the most important reagent used in inorganic and organic chemistry. Used as alkylating as well as arylating agent. It is highly reactive, soluble in hydrocarbon solvents and sensitive to oxygen, carbon dioxide, and it is prepared in inert atmosphere, which is argon and nitrogen. Physical and chemical properties. It reacts with main group halide formation of other organometallic compounds. 3LiR plus BCl3 gives Br3 plus 3LiCl. Here 3LiR is organolithium. Next 4LiR plus SnCl4 gives SnAr4 plus 4LiCl. These are important reactions. Reaction with halogen. LiR plus H2 gives LiX plus Rx. Here Rx is parent alkyl halide is formed. Reaction with alkyl iodide. LiR plus R-I gives RR-I plus LiI. Here RR- is hydrocarbons. Reaction with CO and CO2. When organolithium react with CO, it forms ketone, and when it reacts with CO2, it forms carboxylic acid. Types of preparation. Direct synthesis. 2Li plus Rx, which is alkyl halide, gives LiR plus LiX. Example, 2Li plus CH3Br gives CH3Li plus LiBr. 2 lithium plus C2H5Br gives C2H5Li plus LiBr. Reaction between lithium and organometallic compounds. 2Li plus Hgr2, which is organomercury, gives formation of 2LiR plus Hg. 2Li plus HgAr2 gives 2LiAr plus Hg. 2Li plus HgCH32 gives 2CH3Li plus Hg. These are all reactions between lithium and organometallic compounds. Metal halogen exchange reaction. C4H9Li plus phenyl iodide, which is PHI, gives LiPH plus C4H9I. Applications, okay, and uses. RLi, which is organolithium, is used as synthetic reagent as no side products are formed. Other organometallic compounds. It is used to form other organometallic compounds. Example, LiR plus SnCl4 gives SnR4 plus 4LiCl. It is used as a precursor for metallated reaction and as also for polymerization catalyst. Structure and bonding. LiR exists as tetramer in solid, liquid and gas form. It exists as a tetramer form in solid phase. It is covalent in nature. For Li shown in figure, you can see that there are 4 lithiums which are covalently bonded and it is in tetrahedral structure. And the bonding between two lithiums, any two lithiums in the figure, you can see is of 228 picometer. Okay, thank you for watching.